Why organizing Google Drive matters.
An organized Google Drive streamlines your daily work. It saves time, improves collaboration, and helps you locate important files quickly. Whether you use Drive for work, school, or personal projects, a proper structure lets you focus on getting things done rather than searching for documents. Let's look at how to transform your Drive into an efficient digital workspace.
Structuring folders, laying the foundation.
Start by creating main folders for broad categories. For example, you might have folders for work, personal, finances, or projects. Inside these, create specific subfolders such as Project A, Meetings, or Receipts. This hierarchy keeps related documents together and prevents your Drive from becoming cluttered over time.
Smart naming conventions for files and folders.
Consistent naming makes searching and sorting simple. Use clear, descriptive titles like 2024 Budget Report or Client Proposal March. Consider starting with dates in the format YYYMMDD for sorting chronologically. Avoid generic names like Document 1. The more specific and uniform your naming, the easier it will be to find what you need.
Utilizing color codes for quick navigation.
The color coding folders adds visual cues to your workflow. Right-click on a folder, choose Change Color, and assign shades based on priority or category. For instance, use red for urgent tasks, green for completed projects, or blue for ongoing work. Colors help you quickly identify important areas and add a personal touch to your organization.
Leveraging search and shortcuts.
Google Drive's search and shortcut tools enhance efficiency. You can search by file type, owner, or keywords. Use starred files for quick access to current projects. Create shortcuts to important files or folders you use regularly, so you don't have to dig through layers of folders. These features put your most used information within easy reach.
Maintaining your organized Drive.
Regular maintenance prevents disorder from creeping back in. Set aside a few minutes each week to delete unnecessary files, archive completed work, and adjust folder structures as your needs change. Keeping things tidy ensures your Google Drive remains a dependable asset for managing documents and collaborating effectively.